Okay, for vocab questions, it's very helpful when we have sentences where the author is making some sort of like comparison or using some sort of pattern. And when we notice that, we should try to use that to our advantage. And so that's exactly what's going on here. So we're going to try to find matching ideas between the different parts of this sentence. So let's take a look. Today's organic farming practices are probably best deployed in fruit and vegetable farms where growing nutrition, not just bulk calories, is the primary goal. But for delivering sheer calories, especially in our staple crops of wheat, rice, maize, soybeans, and so on, conventional farms have the advantage right now. So there's a clear contrast here. I mean, that word but is not just an accident. It's there for a reason. So what matters? Well, we're saying we're not growing bulk calories when we do fruits and vegetables. So my guess might be that sheer means bulk, right? Because they're kind of flipping. They're saying, well, we don't want to do this for fruits and vegetables. We do want to do this for things where we care about the number of calories. So, delivering lots of calories. Those are good guesses for what we might need to be saying here because they match with this kind of opposite sentence that comes before it. So look for those things. A lot of writers do that, and a lot of the vocab questions are centered around those kinds of sentences. So transparent has nothing to do with there being a lot of something or not. Abrupt is a time-ish word, so that has nothing to do with there being a lot of something. Steep and pure are both like off by a little bit. And so we have to just kind of think about the way that they'd be used in this context, because pure is the answer, but I get why that is not like going to jump off as being a good match for these guesses. But if we put it in, it does make sense. So for delivering steep calories can't be steep or shallow, flat. That doesn't make any sense, right? So we also wouldn't, even though we're talking about a number, right? Numbers don't have a steepness. So that doesn't make a lot of sense. But when we're talking about pure calories, right? We only care about lots of calories. That's purely our consideration. Then we should use conventional methods. That's what they're trying to say here. So he's saying when calories are just part of what we care about and we also care about nutrition, then we should do organic. But when we purely care about just the calories, don't care about vitamins and minerals or anything, then we should do conventional. So it is the better fit. And this is why, the strategies are great, but they're not flawless. And so we are always trying to be adaptive to whatever situation we have. If our guess isn't perfect, that's okay, because it eliminated some bad answers for us, and then it helped us kind of cross the finish line and get the right one. So the point is, look for the ideas, try to capture them as best you can, but, ultimately make sure that your answer matches the ideas as well, not just your guess.